Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel that is Destiny Coaching Classes. Hope you all are doing very well. I am also well. Today is day 4 of our 30-day English speaking practice challenge and today's topic is talking about your hobbies. Today we will talk about hobbies, which are the activities we like to do in our free time. Whether you enjoy reading, playing sports or cooking, hobbies gives us a chance to relax. Let's learn how you can confidently express your hobbies in English. But if you haven't watched all my videos, I will provide a link in the description box. Please go and watch all my videos. If you like my videos, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Everyone has a hobby, something we do in our free time. But how do we talk about our hobbies in English? Let's look at some easy examples. You can use these sentences like I enjoy reading novels. If you like reading books, you can use this sentence. I love playing football with my friends. If you like playing football or other sports. My favorite hobby is painting. If you have a passion for painting, just remember when talking about hobbies, you can use words like enjoy, love, and favorite. For example, I enjoy dancing in my free time. I love baking cakes on weekends. My favorite hobby is photography. Now, let me give you more example that you can use to express your hobbies. First one is indoor hobbies. I enjoy solving puzzles. If you enjoy brain games, you can use this sentence. I love playing video games. If you like gaming, you can use this sentence. My favorite hobby is cooking new recipes. If you like trying new dishes. The second one is outdoor hobbies. I enjoy cycling in the park. If you enjoy cycling, I love going for hikes in the mountains. If you enjoy hiking in the mountains, my favorite hobby is gardening. If you have a passion for gardening, the third one is creative hobbies. I enjoy painting in my free time. If you like painting, use this sentence. I love writing short stories. If you enjoy writing stories, my favorite hobby is playing the guitar. If you like playing the guitar. Now it's your turn. Share your hobbies in the comments using these sentences. For example, I enjoy dancing to Bollywood music. I love learning new languages. My favorite hobby is collecting stamps. So, today we learned how to talk about our hobbies using simple sentences like I enjoy, I love, and my favorite hobby is. Practice this sentence every day and soon you'll be able to confidently talk about your hobbies in English. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Destiny Coaching Classes. We will be back with more fun lessons. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.